You can literally build entire n8n automations with Claude Code now, just by talking to it. Most people don't even open n8n, not because the idea scares them, but because a canvas does. There's literally dozens of node types, connections, expressions, credentials, and it looks like something you need to be technical to touch. Everybody wants to do automations, right? Everyone wants to do fewer repetitive tasks, but most people don't even know what the nodes do. Like, n8n has a real learning curve if you're building it by hand. But what I'm about to show you is that you can literally just type one prompt to Claude Code, and by the end of the video, an entire multi-step AI agent will be built, wired, and tested inside n8n. And I will not have dragged a single node by myself. And I'll be showing how we can set up n8n to Claude, and I'm also going to be doing a live demo on building a full content pipeline agent, one that checks trending posts every morning, picks the best topic, and writes an entire script in my voice. It also includes stuff like SEO, thumbnail options, metadata tags, and it will log all that into a content calendar, and it will send the entire thing to Slack for me to approve before anything is final. And you can create the same thing just by giving a prompt to Claude Code. So let's get into it. So first, I'll just quickly show you how to connect n8n to Claude. So you go to n8n and you open up settings and you click on instance level MCP. And you see here, connect your client. So this is where you can connect your n8n to Claude Code. So you click on connect, you click here, your client. So you'll put your client as Claude Code, obviously. And once you click on Claude Code, you just get the link here. So you just copy this prompt and go to Claude Code and just tell Claude Code to add this for you. I have already done this step, but I can show you how to do it. You just copy the link, you paste it in Claude Code, and you just tell Claude Code that I want to connect this MCP server so that you can have access to n8n. And you just click enter, and then Claude Code will automatically add this MCP server, and it will connect to n8n. And that's literally all you do to set this up. And yeah, for me it says the n8n MCP server is already added, but for you it will actually show you that it is adding the MCP server so you can access n8n. But essentially what you're doing is you're opening command prompt and you're opening n8n from your localhost. And we're doing it localhost because otherwise you have to pay for n8n, but if you do it localhost, it is completely free. So all you do is you open up your command prompt, you just enter n8n, and now your terminal will open up n8n for you. And this is what Claude Code will be working with. So yeah, now that we have our local hosted n8n set up, we're basically done with n8n. Now our job is just to go to Claude Code and just tell it what we want, and it will build all those nodes, all those JSON prompts, all this coding itself, so we don't actually have to touch n8n at all. So let's open up Claude Code and let's open up a new chat. So again, I want to build a content pipeline agent for this. Okay, so this is already a prompt I have from before, but I'm going to paste it again. I'm not going to read through all of it, but I'll give you the gist. And I'll leave this exact same prompt in the description so you guys can copy it. So I want you to build a complete AI agent inside my n8n instance using the n8n MCP server. This is a content pipeline agent from my YouTube channel, build it node by node, testing each node immediately after you add it, and fix any errors before moving on to the next node. So again, you can see here, I asked it to add a trigger where it will run automatically every morning at 8 AM, so it will literally be running while I'm asleep. It will pull a top post from the last 24 hours, so it will scrape through subreddits like Claude AI, Artificial, and Local Llama. It will filter this, so if something is not trending more than the other, it will completely wipe that off our list, meaning it will only take the most trending subjects and put that in our list so we can make content about it. And we're also giving it an agent decision with memory, so it will be using Claude as a model. We have a script draft, so it will draft a full short form script for us, including the hook, the body section, and our CTA for the viewer. And of course, you want to specify where you want to keep it in a conversational tone, no corporate language, no filler phrases, or no M dashes. You can customize it based on what you want, but this is just an example I'm doing. And then you also have metadata, so you can have Claude generate you 3 viral trending title options, a short SEO description, and a relevant hashtag for your video. And you can also have it generate you thumbnail text. And obviously, you ask it to log into a calendar, which includes the entire package for you, and then you also have your human approval, where you'll be sent that complete package, and this is the only manual step inside the workflow. And of course, you ended off by asking Claude Code that if you need any help, you just ask me for any credentials. You can ask me for Reddit API, RSS feed URL, Slack workspace. This is the only step you have to do to get the automation going. You don't have to drag nodes, you just have to answer questions Claude Code gives you if it asks you anything. And then you press enter, and now Claude Code will build the entire workflow for you. You don't have to touch anything. Literally all you need to do is have n8n open. And yeah, you can see here it's already creating the nodes for you. It has all the JSON prompts. You don't have to do any of that moving the nodes around. And yeah, let's see what it comes up with. And yeah, this is what I meant. You don't have to drag any nodes around, but Claude Code will just ask questions. So for this, it just asks me, does a 50 upvotes plus 10 comments threshold sound right for my subs, or should I adjust it? So I'm putting the 50 upvotes or 10 comments because there are some days where AI isn't really talked about much, so you don't want to go a day without content, right? So just click on 50 upvotes or 10 comments. I'll just use Google Sheets to make it easy. So yeah, you can see here, it already added all the nodes for me. I didn't actually touch anything. I'm literally just watching this entire agent being assembled by itself. Now, of course, in my prompt, I asked Claude Code that if they wanted any APIs or information, please ask me, and this is what they're doing right now. You can see here that they made the entire structure, 30 nodes, but they're just asking for my API credential for my Claude, my Slack credential, and my Google Sheets credential. Now, if you go back to n8n, you will see that Claude Code has created our workflow, so we just click on this, and you can see here, I didn't actually touch anything. Claude Code made this entire thing by itself. It created all these nodes, and I didn't have to touch anything. So it created the trigger, the research, the filter, the agent itself with the memories. It created all the script drafting, metadata, calendar logging, and the Slack approval step just by one single prompt. I did not place a single one of these nodes by hand. Yeah, if you zoom in, you can literally see that, oh, it fetches the Claude AI top posts, the artificial top posts, the local llama top posts. It split these posts into combining them, and it filters them, and then here we get our Claude memory, and then it'll log our short form scripts for us. Alright, now let's go back to Claude Code because it's now asking us for our API credentials. So yeah, just answer the questions whatever Claude Code asks you to. Yeah, I will have to do this off screen because I can't really show my APIs up here, but let me just do that real quick. Alright, now that I've added all the APIs and credentials, Claude Code has now finally built my AI agent. So let's go to n8n real quick to look at the workflow. n8n Claude Code literally designed this entire thing for me. And you can see here, it's scheduled every morning at 8 a.m. and it will do it automatically without me having to be on my PC. And you can see if I go to Slack here, I have an empty chat, and this is where Claude Code will send me the entire package every single morning. So let's just test this right now. I'll just go into Claude Code and I'll type down, please run this workflow for me right now. I want to test it. Now Claude Code will run the entire workflow for me right now, and if it works, it should show me a full package inside my Slack chat. So let's see how this works. And you can also see here, if there's any errors for your nodes, Claude Code will automatically fix it for your workflow. Alright, and now Claude Code has finished, so let's see. Let's go to Slack, and we can see this entire package that Claude Code has dropped us by using an n8n workflow. And you can see it includes the topic, the source, it tells us the entire script, including the hook body CTA, it tells us the title options, it tells us descriptions, hashtags, YouTube tags, thumbnail text options, and it even gives you the article where it got it from. And if I schedule this, I can literally wake up at 8 a.m. every single morning and I'll have 2 entire short scripts ready for me to film. And I don't have to touch any of this. Now, you might be thinking that this still looks like a lot even though Claude built it, which is fair, but if you notice what actually matters here, I never had to know what an expression is, how to configure an HTTP node, or a credential type a Reddit connection needs. All I had to do was to describe the outcome I wanted, and Claude Code handled literally every technical decision in between. The only things you have to do is just manually approve every credential, and maybe switch up any Slack channel names. Yeah, it's really interesting, and most people don't know this because people want to get into n8n automation, but doing all this stuff really holds them back. But now you can just do it in plain English. And that will wrap up my video for today. Remember that I have the prompt in the description if you guys want to test this exact workflow out and tweak it for your liking. And please like and subscribe because it really helps me make more of these videos for you guys. And I'll be posting more on how you can automate more easily with these tools such as Claude and how to leverage AI. I'll see you there.